We're a group of 5 members, and we are here to present about the value of digitalization in supporting procurement objectives in an organization. Our organization of choice is Abacus Pharma Ltd, and by name is Juliet Namugenyi,
Henry Lwanyaga,
Musijere Moses,
Sauti Geoffrey,
and Jacqueline Byarugaba.
Our vision as an organization is to become the leading importer and distributor of the pharmaceuticals in Uganda and the rest of East African region.
Digitalization is a process by which organizations move from the typical analog to a digital processes. A process of implementing the use of digitalization to change a business model and provide new revenue and value-adding opportunities. This has been adopted by Abacus Pharma in order to expand on its market share and profitability.
Why, as an organization, we need to implement digitalization? One is the desire to gain speed and agility, speed in what we produce and how we do whatever we do, and we desire to save on cost and improve profitability. You realize that if you replace humans with automation, there is an opportunity of saving on cost on human labor, and at the end of the day, you realize you get more profits. We also need to expand on our global reach, and with the use of automation, we can easily reach out to the suppliers in different countries and be able to access the different products that we are interested in purchasing at the fastest time possible.
And in short, this will enable us to have a competitive advantage by doing things better, faster, and cheaper than our competitors, hence gaining a competitive advantage.
The other reason why our company decided to embrace digitalization was also help reduction of operational costs. This was going to be done through the use of softwares and systems that in the end help to cut costs.
Furthermore, the operational units are effective, hence reducing the errors and accidents which are related with the human labor. Thus, this leads us to procurement in a lean manner.
Also, using digital and virtual platforms have also enabled our organization to identify the right source of our suppliers. This has been done through the use of softwares that have allowed us to get information in real time, that has helped us to evaluate our suppliers and be able to get the right suppliers for our products.
Through the use of variety of the generated database using our intelligence, the visual intelligence system, we easily can get accreditation from WHO, and such suppliers have a platform whereby you can detect those who have drugs which are blacklisted and those which are on standard as per pre-qualifications of WHO, especially for surgicals, for example, syringes, gloves. Such drugs, such commodities are accredited by WHO. Hence, you can easily get a source which is more reliable and efficient.
And save on time.
Digital and virtual platforms improve on the expected lead time. In this case, this helps us to connect to the global world and having a large source. And in this helps us to detect and eliminate unproductive operations, especially the logistics, complying with logistics lead time, so that we the deliveries are delivered basing on the forecasted timelines. This helps us to meet our customer demands since our deliveries are received within the required lead times. This also, by use of ERP system, facilitates us accurately and timely having information exchange with our suppliers as well as our clients within Uganda. For example, when we exchange information with our suppliers, they are able to get our orders into production on time and also plan for logistics time until such supplies reach to our border for clearance through customs and hence meeting our customer demands.
Yes. Using digital systems, it can help us save on costs. For example, through use of conferencing services, we are able to connect, to have an interface with our suppliers. We can be able to tell them our specifications of our products that we need on an interface, which makes it clear for them which makes them clear.
Which makes it clear for them, and they'll be able to provide exactly what we are requesting for. The other advantage of digitalization in regards to time is it's a go thing. I mean, it's a login and you access the globe like in an instant. So things like meetings, like how she has expounded, things like deliveries, things like tracking systems, we can easily get to know, make a decision on, okay, should we ship a particular product by sea or by air? We can easily engage the suppliers to get to know, okay, what do they have in stock? How long will it take them to produce whichever requirement that we have? And at the end of the day, we save on time, we save on costs, which is an advantage. It leads to growth of our organization. As an organization that is involved in pharmaceutical, quality is so key in our performance because we deal with life. So indeed, going ahead and acquiring automated system can save us a lot and reduce on our risk, thereby being able to provide good quality products. For example, we have a part of our chain that is for cold items like vaccines and related medicines, whereby we use automated system to be able to track the temperature requirements of such products. We can evaluate, we can refer to them after some time and be able to tell and confirm that the product that we are delivering is of the right quality and standard.
Furthermore, using the automation systems, we can be able to determine the expiry dates, the defects. We can monitor our deliveries. That helps us to achieve the good quality we are giving to our customers.
And also, in the essence, some products are pre-qualified, and we can easily determine this by typing in, logging online, and detect using a certain code, and see if that kind of medicine is on the list that is pre-qualified. For example, that can help us eliminate those maverick suppliers who may have substandard items, or else those which are already blacklisted or who are not WHO pre-qualified, hence safeguarding our clients in regards to quality.
Having digitalized systems in place like CCTV cameras, they can help us monitor operations.
If I'm looking, please, it will be 10 minutes.
Yes, we have.
It can help us monitor operations at the time of delivery, dispatch, and any other activities involved in between. And this helps us to minimize privilege activities.
We must also appreciate that indeed through digitalization we are able to receive the right quantity of supplies that we expect from our suppliers. For example, where we need big supplies, systems have automated formulas that can help us calculate the quantity of a product that we need in order to fulfill the requirement. Then
yeah, and also in this essence we can receive the shipment documents in time, for example the invoices and packing lists, so that we can reconcile when the shipment reaches our premises, so that we get the right quantity and at the right rate which we ordered. Therefore this can help us realize getting the right quantity as per the orders from our suppliers.
In conclusion, application of digitization in Abacus Pharma Ltd will help us to procure at the right price, the right quality and quantity, at the right time and in the right place.
And we are very sure that if we acquire the right systems in place, we are going to realize procurement and operations in a lean manner, of course with limited wastes. These are going to reduce in an agile manner which is sustainable. So in conclusion, we recommend that every organization should adopt the idea of digitalization. It's good and key in their growth, and really it enables us to outcompete our competitors and be able to achieve our overall objectives. Thank you.
I thought you were